I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 31. The total value of goods and services produced within the border of a country is A. Net national product, B. Net domestic product, C. Gross domestic product, D. Gross national product. So to pick out our answer, we would look at the definition of each of these options and then see which one best described the definition given to us as the question. So net national product, or NNP, is the total value of goods produced in a country. Okay, total value of goods produced or services provided in a country during 1 year after depreciation of capital goods. Now, in order to define net domestic product, or NDP, we first have to define GDP, or gross domestic product. So gross domestic product, or GDP, is the total value of goods produced and services provided in a country in a year. Now, net domestic product, which is option B, NDP, is gross domestic product, which we just defined, subtract or minus depreciation, and then GNP, gross national product, refers to goods produced and services provided by a country's citizens, or by a country both locally and abroad. Now, from the definitions we have given, we see that the closest to the question, or to the definition given to us in the question, is option C, gross domestic product, GDP, which is total value of goods produced and services provided in a country within the borders of a country. So that is C, gross domestic product, our answer. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.